Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Laudanum, a powerful concoction containing opium, was a popular cough suppressant in the 1890s. Widely used for various ailments, its opiate base effectively calmed coughs but came with high risk of addiction and other serious side effects. Its historical use underscores the evolution of medicine, highlighting the move towards safer, regulated treatments in contemporary healthcare.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.